Hey folks, welcome to Peapod's shop. I got a little something I want to show you here. Vendor sent me this thing. This is a fishing reel. It's a 5000 model, and just here's your handle, okay, and here's your reel. This is what you get in the box, and these come in different sizes. They come in the 1000, 2000, 3000, 4005. The bigger the number, the bigger the reel. I was a little slow in learning that, and let's see, this is going to be on here like that. Okay, so I've got the reel, or the handle rather. Right over here, get her down nice and tight. No backup to it. Of course, if you flip that, then you got plenty. But there's no play in there. What I want you to see is when you pull back on that thing, well, I was going to unscrew it then. When you pull back, she's locked in place. Now I want you to look at this thing. That's smooth. 71, I think, is the ratio there. And it's got some stuff on here for you, information, but for your pounds and of line you put on there, line capacity. So the gear ratio on this is 5.2 to 1, but the ball bearing is 7 to 1 if I remember correctly. But look at that thing. That is a good looking reel. I'm going to have to get back in touch with them. And they sent me this to review, and I really like it. I'm probably going to have to reach out to them and purchase me the 1000. I like to do a lot of crappie fishing. Hey, this is a 5000 reel, okay? And it's from, I can't pronounce the name, but it's F-R-W-A-N-F. Freshwater. I don't know what that is. But just a beautiful design, good looking, black and gold. Man, I'm going to find me a rod to put that on. Very smooth action, like I said, no back play. Hey, if you're looking for a good reel, whether it's a 1000 or a 5000, hey, give this brand right here a look. I think you'll like it. I like it, and if it works well for me, I believe it'll work well for you. And I think it's going to work well for me. And in the meantime, hey, y'all have a blessed day. All right, y'all tell the truth. That looks good, don't it? Huh? Look at that. That's pretty. That's pretty in my book. That's pretty in your book if you fish. I reel left-handed. I just like how smooth that thing is. I like that little gold, brassy color in there with that black, a little bit of chrome. Man, we got to get some line on this. And hey, let's go fishing. That's what I'm talking about. There it is, right there. Let me get that up close for y'all so y'all can see what we're talking about right there. That's what we're talking about right there. Hey, y'all give them a look. They got all kind of sizes. Meanwhile,